Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. We welcome you all for this Artificial Intelligence Masterclass series. It is the third day series and you all in this fourth day. So first of all, thank you so much for being here until this date where we have remaining 26 days. So I hope you guys are super excited for this today's session as well. If you are super excited, you just post, I'm super excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. So yes, so before going further, let us welcome the people present here. And here we have Sunny hi and Abhi hi and Sunil hi and Sanjinath hi and Kirti hi and Jaising hi and Namila hi and Bhargavi hi and Himanshi hi, Health is Wealth hi and Chetna hi and Adoa hi, Splendid Peace hi. I'm super excited. That's awesome. And Benjamin hi and Harsh hi, Kishan hi, Himanshi hi, Manas Gurkar hi and Omkar hi, Shital Sailor hi and Kartavya Joshi hi and Chaitanya hi and Shreyas Tokale hi and Nikita hi and Shaikh Masood hi, A Vijay hi, Ayush and Isango and Renuka and Vincent, Rajkumar, Amos, hi, hello everyone guys. Thank you so much for the people who mentioned my name. It is really great to have you guys. So first of all, yes, so from this today's session, it is gonna be completely project oriented. So each and every day it is gonna be a project. We are going to build up a project and I hope you are ready to build up some project. The today's project which we are going to work on is moving object reduction. So from today for like 2 to 5 days, the session is going to be under the category of computer vision. So whenever we are talking about a computer vision, the first thing which is needed to be coming into your mind is you are going to handle image data. So by using an image data, we are going to solve some certain problem. So today the project which is moving object reduction. So what is meant by moving object reduction? It's simple. So there is going to be some certain frame. So on that frame, some object, if it is getting moved, so it is going to be detected with the help of computer vision. So for that, we are going to start writing a program. So if you are ready for it, you just post, I'm ready, Sanjay, in a live chat. Okay. So yes, so let us begin the session. So before that, as same as like there is an announcement. So our attendance link will be available in between the live session. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush for the attendance form. Okay. So first of all, let us begin with a quick overview. So while talking about an overview, especially on the yesterday's session, because where we begin with computer vision. So first of all, we have learned how to read an image. Okay, so guys, let us do some interaction at starting itself. What you just do, guys, I'm just going to tell you the functionality, and you're going to write the syntax in the live chat. Just keyword. Okay, I really no need the complete line of syntax. Just try to write what you really know. Okay, I'm not going to like, even if you are given a wrong answer, I'm not going to blame you, or I'm not going to tell anything. So whatever the answer which you remember, you just give your answers in the live chat. So from that, I will address which one is the right answer. The first thing which we learned is how to read an image. Okay, just keep on giving the syntax in the live chat, guys. So how to read an image means, for an example, if you have some image which is present in your local directory, so how to read that image, that is what we guys have learned. Okay, the first answer which we got from Seema Bora. So thank you so much for giving the answer. Just give a great applause for Seema Bora for giving the whole complete syntax. So yes, that's awesome. And second thing what we did is we guys have learned how to save an image. Okay, so we guys have already read an image. And if you're going to save that image in a different name with different extension, that is going to be done with the help of some syntax. Okay, so give a great applause for Mohammed. Give great applause for ABY Vargish. Okay, the second answer which has been given by Bharti Gupta, Roshan, Riddhi and Roshan, of course, and Rachana. Yes, the syntax is I am right. So we are going to save an image. So like guys, other people, if you really know the syntax, please give the complete syntax, guys. Okay, so with the help of that, you are going to save an image. We can able to save that image. Yes. Sunil given the complete syntax. So I am right of the image name with its extension within the double quotes, comma, the image which we guys have read. Give a great applause for Sunil. That's awesome. And then, yes, Sadhana also given the right answer. That's awesome. And third thing we guys have learned is to show an image. So how to display the image or frame in the output window. That's what the third syntax we guys have learned. Give you a syntax in the live chat. And the fourth thing we guys have learned how to convert the color image into a grayscale image. So that is the fourth syntax we guys have learned. Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so and yes, Antariksh posted the right answer. The answer is I am sure. And fifth syntax, finally, we guys have learned is a thresholding. So we guys have converted color image into a grayscale. And in the grayscale, based on the thresholding, we are going to convert that image into a black and white image. Okay, which the pixel is going to be around black or white. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's what we guys have did in the yesterday's session. So today we are going to learn further. I hope you all super excited for this. So first of all, let us begin with the first example. So we are going to read an image, and in this first example, we are going to resize an image. So to resize an image, as I've already told you, you have a lot of libraries. You have immutals library, you have OpenCV library, you have Pillow library. Likewise, you have a lot of library to do some functionalities. For an example, if you want to read an image, you can do it with the help of OpenCV library. You can do it with the help of Pillow library and etc. Okay. So on that list today, now we are going to do the resizing, not with the help of CV to OpenCV library, with the help of immutals library. Okay. You just see here. First of all, these lines are new, or these lines are already old for you. So you have already imported this OpenCV library, and we have read an image, sample2.jpg, which is already present here. And here we have the immutals library. So first of all, we need to import immutals library. And once it has been imported, now we are going to resize it. So for resizing image, we are going to give another alternative name like resize image is equals to immutals dot resize of img comma with this equals to 100. So img is equals to img comma with this equals to 100. So with the help of that, we can able to resize that image into the width which contains which is in the dimension of 100. So once the image has been resized, we are going to save it in the another name called resized image. Are you clear? So for an example, let me put 25. So with this 25 and Control S. So now I'm going to run this, run and run module. Yes, program ran successfully. I didn't got any error. So finally, so this is my original image, and ta-da! So we have resized image, which is in the dimension of 25 as a width. Okay. So guys, is it super simple? So yes, our first session is gone super simple. And if you really love to listen this, because we haven't gone for any theoretical, we are learning parallelly programming, and we are also parallelly building some projects. And if you're really loving this, you just post, I'm loving it, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay. So this is what we guys have done. So this is the original image, and this is the resized image with the width of 20. So that's what we guys have did in the first example. So what is the first example is? We resized an image. Are you clear? So we guys have resized an image. That's it. What is the syntax? CV2, immutals dot resize of the which image we need to resize, comma, with this equals to the dimension. So that's what to resize the image. Okay. Yes, a lot of people are posted. I love it. Okay, Misbah. So just please note down the syntax. Immutals dot resize of image, comma, with this equals to 25. So 25 is nothing but the dimension. So we have given that, and it is going to be resized. Okay. Are you clear? So let us go with the second program. So while talking about the second program, we have this like to smoothen an image. Okay. So how to smoothen an image? So that's what we are going to learn in this part. So how to smoothen an image is nothing but, for an example, you have some images with like sharp edges, right? So you just see here this image, which is having a sharp edges. So we are going to smoothen it, or you're going to blur it, so that I just will be turned into soft, and it is going to be very easy. So let me show you the first output, then you'll understand. So let me click a run and run module. Okay. So for an example, this is my original image. Okay. So this image in my first program, which has been resized into this one. So this is the resized image. Whereas this image, if you are applying smoothening process, or if you are applying that blurring technique, there are a lot of blurring methods. So here we are using this Gaussian blur. So once I have applied, that image will be turned into this. Okay. So guys, hope you can able to understand, or hope you can able to observe the output differences. So if you can able to observe the differences, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. So this is my original image, and this is Gaussian blur applied image. So that's what we guys have did. So first of all, we guys have resized it with the help of immutals. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, we guys have done with the help of immutals. And now we guys have applying the smoothening. So while talking about a smoothening, so here we have the syntax called CV2 dot like this one not needed, so I'm not going to convert into a grayscale. But now if you want to apply the Gaussian blur, so the syntax is gonna be CV2 dot Gaussian blur. And another very important thing, please be aware about the case sensitivity, because uppercase and lowercase is really necessary. So CV2 dot Gaussian blur of source, SRC is nothing but the source image which we have obtained image of kernel comma border type. So what type of border we need to apply. So once it has been applied, that image which is going to be converted into like this blurred smoothened image. For an example, Sanjay, I really don't know what is this 25 and those stuff. What you just do is you just try to put up some changes like 40 or something. Okay, and you can try to observe the change. Okay, if you really want, you can just check it out. Okay, I think it is not going to work now. So likewise, you can change the kernel and you can observe what it is happening in the image. Okay, this is just the dimension. So we are just changing that sharp edged image with this smoothened image. So it's like make image little bit softened or blurry or kind of thing. So that is what the second program you guys have learned. Okay, are you clear? So are you clear with the second program? You just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. And the third program. So I hope you have already learned the third program. So third program, which is nothing but to apply the thresholding. So I hope you already know what is meant by thresholding. And let me click run and run module. Okay, so this is what the thresholded image. So now what are the stuff we guys have learned? We guys have original image. And in the first program, we guys have resized image. And in the second program, we guys have smoothened an image or blurred. And we guys have applied thresholding. Okay, are you guys with me, guys? So if you are with me, just post I'm with you, Sanjay in live chat. That is what the third example. And let us go for the fourth example. Okay, so before going with the fourth example, it is a bit huge, right? Let me go with the fifth very important example. So guys, first of all, let us do a recap. So what is the first thing we guys have learned? We guys have learned how to read an image. I am read syntax. We guys have know how to save an image. And we guys have know how to show an image. And we guys have know how to convert color image into a grayscale image. And once the image has been converted into a grayscale, and that image we guys have converted into thresholding as well. And now we guys have learned to apply blurring or smoothing. So we guys have done that. Done it by using the Gaussian blur technique. So we guys have converted that color image into a smoothened some images. And yeah, and we guys have also done a resizing of an image. So these are all the stuff we guys have learned. Okay, so up to now, if you are satisfied and if you're really loving this, you just post satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what we guys have done. But now what we are going to do is we are going to, so up to this point, even though these are like 8 syntaxes we guys have learned, 8 functionality we guys have learned, since everything is all images. But now let me show with the video. So how many of you people excited to do it with or work it with the video? So if you really wanted to work it with video, if you're really excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in a live chat. Okay, so Tanmay, hi. Tanmay saying hi. Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you so much. Yes. So while talking about the output, so before explaining you the program, let me show you some outputs, guys. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me turn on my another camera. Actually, with my laptop, I have now more cameras. Okay. So now I'm going to run this. Let me show you the output, how it is working. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, it is not working. Wait a minute. Let me change the camera argument to 2. Okay, this is my web camera. Okay, and I also have another camera. Wait a minute. Okay, let me try with 3. Okay, wait a minute. Let me check out with my camera. So for example, it is gonna be done it with the help of like by using cameras. Okay, so with the help of cameras, you can able to do this. So what I'm going to do is, in my program, we are going to access the camera just by using a Python program, and we are going to bring out the frame inside the Python program. Okay, so I hope you all ready for it. Wait a minute, let me connect the camera. And let me change the camera argument again, and let me try. Yeah, like, because I used to have a lot of cameras with me now. So I have an like SLR camera which is connected with for live, and I have web camera, and I have what to say this like another additional cameras. Yes, it is not working, but I think we can fix it out with the inbuilt camera, I think so. Yes, this is the inbuilt camera. So where you are just looking out me. So this is what the program is all about. So the program which is all about to access the frame from the camera. So now let me explain you the program. First of all, you just want to import OpenCV library. So which is import space cv2, and then vs is equals to cv2 dot video capture of 2. So these are all the indexes which will be assigning for every individual cameras. So if you can try 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 based on the camera which is being connected with your laptop. Are you clear? So for an example, if this number is not working, you can change the argument based on the number of camera which is being connected with your laptop, and you can try that out. Are you clear with this line? So we are going to initialize the camera. So what camera you have? So you need to initialize the camera by using this. Okay, are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. So until then, while speaking to you, I'm just checking what my another web cameras. Okay, I think it is not getting that. Okay, no problem. So this is what is all about. So import space cv2. So we have imported the OpenCV library, and then we guys have initialized the camera. So for an example, if we are putting up a 2, which is argument of the certain specific camera which I have for an example, so it is going to open the video stream frame. Okay, you just see here. So whenever I'm just keep on moving, it is just going to just camera streaming. Okay, I haven't deployed any algorithms, I haven't done anything, just to do the video streaming. And if I'm pressing Q button in my keyboard, the windows needed to be closed. Okay, so that is what we guys have tested. So to do that, so whenever you have run the program, you guys have already saw that it is a video, continuously it is showing the frame. So to do that, first of all, initialize while function. So while of true. Okay, so while true, which is nothing but we are initializing the infinite loop. So inside the infinite loop, so we are going to read the frame from the camera. Vs is nothing but we have already initialized the camera. So underscore comma img is equals to vs dot read. So with the help of that, we are going to read the frame from the camera. Are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat. So we are going to read the frame from the camera, and we are going to keep it in the variable called img. Okay, so when you can ask Sanjay, what is this underscore means? So underscore is nothing but this vs.read syntax will return you two variables. First variable, I really no need that, so that's why I've dropped underscore, or else you can also put img or im whatever. Other than that, img. So this variable is going to have the flag whether the frame has been read or not. But we really don't want to do anything with this. So that's why we really require the second variable, second return variable, that is going to carry the whole complete image information. So cv2.im show of video stream comma img. So with the help of that, we are going to display the frame read from the camera. So once it has been read, so now we are going to record the key press. So what is the record is the key press is, in your keyboard, there are a lot of keys, right? So it is going to wait continuously until you are pressing some key. It is going to wait continuously until if you are pressing it, it is going to be detected, and it is going to be find out the hexadecimal value of by multiplying with 0 cross ff, so that we can able to find out whether it is matching with Q. So if you are pressing the Q, then this while loop, the camera feed which it's showing is going to be terminated, and camera will be released and windows will be destroyed. So why we are releasing the camera is, otherwise you might see some error like camera is already in use. So that's why we are going to release the camera, and windows, opened windows will be destroyed. So this is what the program. Guys, if you are really feeling it's super simple to just do the video streaming just by using a camera from the Python program, you just post super easy Sanjay in a live chat. Whatever the camera you have, you might have USB camera. So whatever the camera you have, just put up some conversion to USB, just plug it into your laptop and run this program. You can create your own CCTV. Okay, we are not recorded it, but just like surveillance camera you have placed it. Okay, we haven't recorded it, just to just visualize the frame. Okay, if you are really feeling it's super simple, you just post super simple Sanjay in a live chat. That 0 cross FF, which is gonna be and with the value which is returning that CV2.wait key of 1, which is going to record the key press. So it will return the hexadecimal value. So that is just gonna be matched with odd of Q. So odd of hexadecimal value, which is hexadecimal value of character Q, to match whether the Q key is pressed or not. So whenever you are running it, frame is gonna be run. So whatever the key you are pressing, H or B or F or D, it is not gonna be getting closed. But if you are pressing Q, this window will be automatically closed. How it has been closed? Because we have given the break statement here, and also camera has been released and windows will be destroyed. So that is what this pre-project source code. Okay, so are you clear? Do you really like it? If it is easy peasy, you just post easy peasy Sanjay in a live chat. Oliver Medina posting ads and very simple. Wow, thank you so much, Oliver Medina, for posting this. That's awesome. So let me repeat the syntax again. Importing the library, line number 1. Initializing the camera, line number 2. Initializing infinite while loop, line number 3. And line number 4, reading the frame from the camera. Line number 5, show the frame which has been read from the camera. Line number 6, wait, try to record the wait key so that to record the key press. That is the line number 6. And line number 7, whether that key press hexadecimal value, is it matching with hexadecimal value of character Q. So if it is matching, line number 8, break it. What break it means? It is not going to break if condition. It is going to break this whole complete while true infinite loop condition. The infinite loop is nothing but continuously it is going to run it. Okay, so break it, break the while loop. Once the loop has been break, once the loop has been broke out, then vs.release, we are going to release the camera. And once the camera has been released, the windows all been opened, right? The frame which has been opened. So to destroy it, we guys have dropped cv2.destroy all windows. That is what is all about. For Cody, thank you so much for posting ECPC Sanjay. That's awesome. So this is what the example number 5. Are you all ready for the project? So if you are ready for the project, I really need, how many people are there? 320 people out there. So I really need 320 fire emojis in the live chat. Okay. So Oliver Medina posted the topic is very informative. I will share this with my student. That's awesome. Thank you so much for doing that, Oliver. Yes. So now, shall we go with the project? How many of you people are ready? So to do or to work with the project? Yes, ready. Okay, that's awesome. So now, first of all, let me show you an output. Then we'll go further with the coding explanation. Okay. So if you are ready for it, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, let me check one by one camera. If I got my web camera turned on, that will be great for me. But I think it is not getting detected. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just checking one by one camera, guys. Yes. So now it might looks clumsy, guys, because it is a basic program, you know, like, but this is which has been acquired from the certain frame. Now let me show something, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, wait a minute. I'm just terminating the program. Okay, for an example, let me show you the output, guys. So before that, let me hide my face from the live. Yes. So let me show you the output first. Okay. Whenever I'm just going to move, it is going to detect it as like a moving object. Okay, so I hope you really like this. If you really like this, you just post I like this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so but actually if we got to have it in another web camera, it will work perfectly, but I don't know why, because we are connected a lot of cameras, I think so it is not finding out the right camera which I'm exactly looking for. But let me try again. Okay, it's not working. Okay, camera number 4 and 5, I think it won't work moreover. So for an example, let me show you something. So I'm going to go out of this frame and I'm going to run this program, and let me show you the exact output. You'll be feeling really happy. Let me show you this. Okay, so this is the frame which has been acquired, guys. Okay, so I hope you can able to see me. I just hide in from this frame, right? So you all seeing something here where it is just detecting me as a moving object detected. Okay, so hope you like it. So how many of you people are really thinking like it's amazing? If you are really thinking it's amazing, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in a live chat. Okay, so let me run it again and let me show you the clear output, and also let me explain how it will really work. Now you just see here, it is just showing normal and those stuff, right? But whenever something got introduced into the frame, you just see here, hope you can able to see this, right? So is it amazing? Okay, so that is what the changes is. For an example, if I'm coming in, yes, it is moving object is detected, right? So whenever the water bottle is coming in into the frame, you just see here, being nice, yes, this water bottle is coming in and it is detecting this is a moving object. So again, it is turned into normal. So when again the object is coming in, it is detected as a moving object. Okay, so guys, hope you really like it. So if you're really loving this, if it is amazing, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in a live chat. So for experts, it might looks very simple project, but for the beginners, it is gonna be some awesome thing. But because by step we are also moving into the advanced level, don't worry about it. So this is what the moving object detection is. So now let me explain how it really works. Okay, so let me show you exactly, guys. Okay, are you all ready? So are you all ready to know how it is functioning? Okay, so how it is functioning, if you are ready for it, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. So or you just post I'm ready to know Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so are you all ready? Okay, so ready to know what is the how it is really functioning, you just post ready to know Sanjay in your live chat. So now let me explain. So guys, you just imagine, whenever I'm going to click this run and then run module, it will open the current frame. So the current frame is nothing but for an example, okay, wait a minute, let me open. Okay, yes, I'm just chat little aside. Okay, so what is all about is, I'm just sitting here where like aside here we have this place, right? So this space, right? So here I have connected, or here I have my web camera which has been there already. So by through this web camera that has been projected in this wall, right? How this project is gonna work is, whenever we are going to run that program, it is going to capture this wall or this frame as a first frame. Guys, are you all with me? I really wanted to know. Are you all with me? So if you're all with me, just post I'm with you. I really need 336 replies in the live chat, guys. Okay. So guys, what is the thing is, whenever I'm going to click run and run module in this live chat, so whenever I'm going to click this run and run module, it is going to capture the first frame. Okay, so frame video is nothing but a continuous of frames, right? So it is going to capture the first frame and it will keep it in the name called first frame. Okay, so once it got to save, it is like it is a first frame, and after the first frame it is going to start subtracting the current frame with this first frame, current frame with the first frame, current frame with this first frame. For an example, let me show you the real example. It will, first of all, whenever I'm clicking run and run module, at the first frame itself, okay, the first frame itself, it will capture the wall, okay, without any without me inside the frame, without anything inside the frame. It is going to capture this place. That is what it is going to be done. And after that, what it will do is, yes, it already captured. So this is the first frame, it already captured. So what it will do is, whenever like now already the frame is running, okay, so it will subtract the current frame with the first frame so that it can able to detect these objects are all moving object. You just see here how it has been fast enough. Okay, so guys, is it amazing? Shall I come back straight towards the camera? Shall I, guys? Okay, so this is what the functionality. So whenever like the first frame has been captured, so we are going to take the current frame and we are going to subtract the current frame on the first frame so that you can able to see the moving object which is going to be detected. Okay, first frame minus current frame is equals to green box. Yes, that's awesome, guys. Okay, so that's awesome. So whenever I'm just getting introduced into the frame, so this area which is gonna be detected as a moving object. So why I just tilted is because behind here these leaves or these leaves are used to move, so we can't capture the first frame, because in the first frame, if the leaves are like this, and in the continuous frame, if the frames are like this, so it is not a real moving object. But there are a lot of ways where you can do it in a very perfect way. It is very simplest way, but since we are in a beginner, in a third day, or sorry, in the fourth day itself, we are doing a project, so that's why we have made it to be very simple. Okay, so guys, how many of you people are excited to know about the program? If you all excited to know about the program, you just post super excited Sanjay in the live chat. Okay, Jivanandan posted, it looks awesome, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is what it's all about. I hope you have got it. So now let me explain you the program. Guys, let me reveal one secret. So what is the secret is, for the past yesterday and today, we guys have learned some syntax, right? The same syntax which we are going to use today for the project. The syntax you have learned for the past 2 days are nothing for your project. Okay, I hope you really like this. If you really like this, you just post I like this Sanjay in your live chat. So now let us go with the program. First of all, import OpenCV library and import time library. So time library is going to be helpful for giving some delay and those stuff. And import immutals. I hope you really know what is the purpose of immutals. We are going to use it for resizing the frame. And once it has been done, we are going to initialize the camera. These are the same line which we already covered up late before. And time.sleep of 1, which is like giving 1 second delay to initialize the camera now. And now we are going to initialize one variable called first frame. Initially, we guys have initialized as like boolean, like none. So I'm just going to give the value like none. Okay, once it has been given as like a none, then we are going to give some area as like a thresholding area. So what is this, Sanjay? What is this thresholded area? Is nothing but how much changes it should observe. So that is what this area is. Okay, how much changes it should observe. So I just get the threshold like 500. Now while true. Let us come to the while true. First line, underscore comma img is equals to cam.read. What is this functionality? We are going to read the frame from the camera. And text, initially the camera text is just gonna be like initially the status need to be normal, so that's why we are given the text is equals to normal. And img is equals to immutals.resize of width is equals to 500. We are going to resize the frame into width of 500. And once the image has been resized into width of 500, now what we are going to do, we are going to convert that color image into a grayscale image. So these are the syntax you guys have learned already. And after converting color into a grayscale, we are going to apply the smoothing process to remove the sharp edges and those stuff. So Gaussian image, Gaussian blur, which has been applied. And whenever if the first frame is none, because whenever while true means it is like continuous loop, it will run continuously again and again. So whenever you are running this, whenever it is the first time which is coming in, it will save the first Gaussian image. Okay, it will save the first Gaussian image in the first frame. So that Gaussian frame will be turned into Gaussian image. So the first frame will be changed into Gaussian image. So that's why it won't coming into this if condition again and again. So only for the first time it will coming in. So continue. So on that continue, the new syntax which we are going to learn is ABS diff. ABS diff is nothing but absolute difference. So image difference is equals to CV2 dot OpenCV dot ABS absolute difference of first frame minus Gaussian image. So first frame, from the first frame, we are going to subtract the current pre-processed frame, not a raw frame, it is like pre-processed frame. Once it has been processed, you will get that certain area. For an example, if I am the person who coming into the frame, so for my that specific stage of the images, which is gonna be like subtracted, which is gonna be uptime. So for that area, we are going to put up a threshold. So whenever you are applying a threshold, that image frame will be converted into black and white. That area will be converted into black, dark black. So once it has been applied into dark black, we are going to apply the dilation method. So why we are doing the dilation is, let me tell you what is the exact reason. For an example, if this is the thresholding, so after completing the thresholding, if you are zooming in, you can able to see there are a lot of holes left over. So we are going to remove those kind of holes, and we are going to fix out the neighborhood pixels by using the dilation method. So CV2.dilate of threshold image, comma none, comma interaction is comma 2 is equals to 2. So it's just going to be helpful for removing tools. So once it is being holes, okay. So once it has been done, we are going to like covering up the whole moving object as a single frame. For an example, in a certain frame, if I'm also moving, my pen is also moving, and I've already holded my pen. So for an example, you just see this frame, guys. So these are all going to be whole frame, right? So this one and my hand, which is all moving. So this all needed to be in a single frame. So finding contours means finding out the neighborhood pixels. So thresholding, taking the threshold image as a copy, and by using the methodology like CV2.retur external and CV2.chain approx simple, that the methodology, and covering up the whole moving object as a single area. So once it has been formed as onto a single area, we are going to grab those complete contours. So that is being kept in the variable called CNTS, cons. And from that cons, we are going to take one by one. So for C in cons, if contour area of C is less than area, for an example, if that pen area is less than area threshold, or if my hand area is less than threshold, so we are going to put up drawing a rectangle. So to draw a rectangle, you need the coordinates like X, Y, and W and then H. X and then Y, which is gonna be the coordinate like the dimension, for an example, X and then Y. So while talking about the X and then Y, with the X and then Y, if you have found out the width and then height, you can able to draw the square or rectangle. So that is going to be obtained by that X and then Y and W and then H, which is going to be obtained by using the syntax called CV2.bounding rectangle. So once it has been found out, we are going to draw the rectangle. To draw a rectangle, CV2.rectangle of, in which image you are going to draw a rectangle? What is the start point? Start point means X comma Y. So that is the two dimension. So X comma Y, which is going to be a start point, and X plus W and Y plus H, which is nothing but X plus W and Y plus H, which is going to be help you to draw a rectangle. And the color of the rectangle 0, 255, 0, which is nothing but a green color, and 2, which is thickness of the rectangle. Okay, so what is that? This is the image, and this is the start point, this is the destination ending point, and this is the color of the rectangle, this is the thickness of the rectangle, and text is equal to moving object detected. So once it has been done, now it's time to put the text. So to put the text, cv2.putText of img, comma, text. What text need to be printed? So if it is coming inside this for condition, the text will be converted into moving object detected, else the text will be normal. Okay. So cv2.putText of image, comma, which text need to be printed, and the coordinate in which the coordinate in which this text needed to be printed, 10 comma 20 is the text needed to be printed, and cv2 dot font hershey, so the font of the text the which is needed to be printed, and the font size, and the font color and font thickness. So this is what it's all about. And cv2.im show of camera feed, comma, img, which is like we are going to show the frame, and until you are pressing a Q button, it is going to display the frame. Finally, camera will be released, and Windows will be destroyed. Okay. So now you might have some confusion. Sanjay, what is this syntax? I felt some difficulties on understanding the syntax. Guys, while talking about the syntaxes which we guys have learned, like we guys have explained clearly in the internship, but now let me tell you some syntax example, like drawing a rectangle. So if you want to draw a rectangle, this is the syntax. So guys, the people who are confused, now let me explain it again. Okay. So cv2.rectangle of img, which is nothing but the start point. Sorry, img is nothing but the source image. X comma y, which is the start point of the rectangle. X plus w comma y plus h, which is nothing but the the end point. Okay, the end point which you are going to draw. And 0 comma 255 comma 0, which is nothing but the green color. And 2, which is nothing but the thickness of the rectangle. Okay, guys, are you all clear? So x plus w is not a width, guys. W is going to be different. Traditionally, we are going to get the destination point. Okay, so are you clear? So w is width, h is height. So with the hexel, with the already having a coordinate called x comma y, we are going to add this width and then height. That's it. So once it has been done, we are going to draw a rectangle. So again, I'm telling you, this is the source image, and the second syntax is the start point, and third argument is the end point, and fourth argument is the color of the rectangle, and fifth argument is the thickness of the rectangle. So now, if you are the people who are posted confused, if you are clear with the drawing rectangle, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, or just leave thumbs up emojis in the live chat. And second syntax which you need to master, putting a text in an image, because in the frame, I hope you remember that. So in the frame, like whenever you are moving, so here that text has been printed like moving object detected, right? And the rectangle which has been drawn like a green color rectangle. So that is what. To put the text, what is the syntax is cv2.putText of in which image you are going to put the text, and what text it need to be printed, and position of the text, and font of the text, and font size, and font color, and font thickness. So cv2.putText of img, comma, text, comma, the position of the text on the image, and the font of the font of the text, and font size of the font size, and font color 0, 0, 245, which is nothing but red, and this 2, which is nothing but thickness of the font. So if you are clear with this second syntax, you just post clear to Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, I think all your confusion is getting cleared out. So if the answer is true, you just post yes, true, Sanjay in your live chat. Because whenever I rushed up with the program, you might have that thought running in your mind, it turns into difficult, and it is very difficult, and program is really huge. But now I felt that you felt really like satisfied with my explanation step by step. Okay, so if you are satisfied, you just post satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, now let me show you some example for finding out the contours. So contour is nothing but, guys, this is the contours. Just to draw the boundary of an object. You just see here, this is the single object where the green color which is going to be binding out the nearby hood pixels. So that is going to be done. And for that, if you are considering as a single object, it is going to draw the rectangle. This is what the contour, guys. Finding the contours. By using the finding the contour method, you can able to obtain the whole complete image. Okay, are you clear? You just see here, this is the contours, finding out the neighborhood and just drawing as a single object. Just see here, this is the contours. So segregating that certain object as a separate individual area. So finding contours of the source image, comma, what type of mode, contour retrieval mode. So here we have used this, the CV2 dot retrieval underscore external. So we are going to retrieve that external part, right? So retrieval mode. And contour approximation method. What kind of approximation method? We are using a simple approximation method. So that's what the syntax is. CV2 dot find contours of thresholded image, comma, retrieval mode, which is external, and approximation method, which is simple. So once you are passing that, you can able to find this boundary of this object. Okay. So guys, how many of you people really loving this? How many of you people really happy to being here? Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so that is what we guys have did by through this finding contours. So once it has been done, finally, that's it. So the moving object detection has been done. Okay, are you all happy? So if you all happy, you just post I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so now instead of image, let me try to print. I'm not sure whether it will work or not, but let me try. I think it won't work, but other than that, I hope you all happy, guys. If you all happy, just give your comments in the live chat. Ta-da! So this is what thresholding output, guys. You just see here. Guys, really loving this. How many of people really loving this, guys? So this is what the thresholding is. So where we are identifying the object which it's really moving. Right? Actually, this is the first frame, guys. Let me show you. So whenever I'm just moved even out of the frame, this human face is here, right? Let me point it out, right? Guys, is it really making fun? Okay, is it funny? If it is funny, just post it's funny, Sanjay, in your live chat. So this person, right? This is nothing but the background. Okay, I have captured the background, right? So that is what the thing. Wait a minute. Let me skip it and let me rerun it again so that background will be captured properly. Okay, so that's amazing. Now camera feed is completely black, but now whenever the object is getting introduced, so this is what thresholding image, guys. Okay, just see here, this is what the thresholding. Do you really like it? If you really like it, you just post I'm enjoying Sanjay in your live chat. I'm literally enjoying Sanjay in your live chat. Just give your comments like I'm literally enjoying Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the thresholded image looks like. Okay. So now at the same point where let me put up. Okay. So now let me show you another. Okay. So we have already printed this thresholded image. Right. Yes, that's it. Okay. So on that thresholded image, we guys have found out that like contours, and we have converted into a single space or single area, and that's what we guys have did. Okay, I hope you really like it. So if you really literally enjoyed it, you just post I literally enjoyed Sanjay in a live chat. So this is what this today's project is. We guys have did real time like moving object detection, so with the help of this computer vision algorithm. So I hope you really love this. So if you literally enjoyed it, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in a live chat. So this is what the project is. I hope you really enjoyed it and I hope you really liked it. And today, yes, there is also a mindset session. And before that, the people who haven't followed me, please follow me through the LinkedIn. And guys, if you really enjoyed it, so I'm going to be asking you a favor with you. So are you all ready to do a favor for me? Because you really enjoyed it. So you really loved it. So if you really enjoyed it, and if you really need, if I really need some help from you, will you ready to do it? Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so what it's all about is I'm just asking my team to post the Google review link. Okay, so that so that the people can able to write a review. So what you people do is you just please write a paragraph kind of reviews. Okay. So why I'm asking that paragraph kind of reviews, because don't put like okay, good, happy and those stuff. Instead, what you just do is, guys, you just try to write a paragraph kind of reviews, because that will really help, or that will also motivate our team to conduct this such type of event. You just see here, Priya posted something like, I'm very happy to attend the session. Daily, I'm learning new things. It's very useful for freshers as well as experienced person. Okay, motivating daily and free live session is very useful for the students like this. So try to write a paragraph. Don't just post, okay, good, I like this and like such stuffs. Okay, so try to write a paragraph, guys. Okay, so if you will do this, you just post, I will do Sanjay in a live chat. No need to post now. You can also take your time and you can post it later. Or if you are writing now itself, I'll be really feeling happy. Okay, you just see here, Sandil Kumar posted, I want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude. Your teaching have been incredibly valuable and have made a significant impact on my learning. Appreciate the time and efforts you have invested in creating and delivering these classes. And the fact that you are doing so for free is truly remarkable. Your generosity and passion for imparting knowledge are truly inspiring. I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn from you, guidance. So if you will do this simple and 2-minute favor, it won't take more than 2 minutes, right? Just please do it for me to conduct more type of event, because it's been a long gap, guys, because for the 30 days which has been conducted before 2 to 3 months, I think so. I'm not sure about that, but that's why again we guys have started. If you really want such type of session on other stuffs, try to write a paragraph kind of reviews. That will motivate our team and management to conduct this such type of events again and again in like multiple domains and fields. Okay, so try to please write a paragraph. Don't just post single words and those stuff with the 5-star. Try to write a paragraph kind of reviews, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. And if you guys have any questions, raise your questions. Until then, how many of you will really ready for the mindset session of this day? If you're ready for the mindset session of the day, you just post, I'm ready, Sanjay, in a live chat. Okay, yes, ready. That's awesome. So what is this today's mindset of the day is, the graph which you are seeing is a universal success graph, where whatever the task which you are starting, whatever the challenge which you are starting, it might be this 30-day series, or it might be registering to the course, or it might be starting up a company, or it might be preparing for the interviews to get placed in a top MNC, whatever the task, whatever the challenge which you are taking in your life. Initially, you will be thinking it is like a great idea and you will feel really happy to start that. But what is the problem is, after a certain amount of time, certain period of time, you will feel this is hard and it really sucks and you finally give up. So here, this is the place where moreover around 80 to 90% will get failed. 80 to 90% will give up. You just take our life as a best example, guys. I think we guys have started in a first day. We guys have in the live around 480 participants. So now within the 4th day itself, we guys have ended up with 392 participants. And now some people are here for attendance link. So let us remove those people. Those people are not going to get anything. So let us remove that people. Other than that, so this other people who are all staying here, so just reminding the 100 people, right? So 100 people have already given up. So it usually happens, and most of the people have made a right decision to subscribe for the internship. So that is also the right thing, which is also there. But other than that, most of the people have given up and they are just utilizing their time in some just entertainment and just to consume, which is really not going to be helpful for their life. That's why always be aware about this critical point, where you just see the percentage 80 to 90% will give up. You can able to, I can bet you guys, in our final day, you can able to see only very few people are gonna be until the 30th day. So you can just see, guys, if you really wanted to check that out, you just check that out. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, be aware about it. Okay, be aware about what to say, like be aware about the critical stage. But if you are not giving up on the certain point, even if you are feeling ill, or even you have felt sickness, or even you have any other job need to be done, without any reason, if you are completing this 30 days challenge without any excuses, after the certain point of time, you will think, I think I can do this, and hey, this is pretty good, and finally you will do this. So I always tell you something. Awareness is the key. Be always aware about what you are doing. So that's what is all about this today's session. I hope you really enjoyed a lot. And if you wanted to follow me, please follow me through the LinkedIn. So if you really love this mindset session, you just post, I love this mindset, Sanjay, in your live chat. And Venkatesh Varlu, I was really feeling happy to effect on this class. So it's a great opportunity to this. Thank you, Sanjay. That's awesome. And another very important thing, the people who have already enrolled for the internship. Okay. So for those people, we have given the community access link. Okay. So that community link, which is given on the internship portal itself. Okay. So let me show you. So for an example, so if you are a people who have purchased this course, what you just do is you just visit this internship on AI 30 days. Okay, this is the course most of the people have purchased, right? In the combo, this is the first course you need to complete. So you just visit that course, and in the course, there is a first step, mandatory first step to join in the community. Okay, you just click that. So once you have clicked that, you will be having the community access link. Okay, I hope all people already know about the community. So if you really don't know about the community, let me show our community, guys. It is awesome thing which we have. Just see here, this is a private community which we have. You just see here the bronze membership. So, and I think a lot of people have posted something. So some people have shared his information, I think so. Okay, yes, Samrit Rai Chaudhary shared some information, some question. So likewise, you can share a lot more stuff. Okay, on the silver membership, something has been shared, I think so. Yes, Nikesh Thoret have shared something, and bronze membership. So likewise, we used to provide such type of membership and some mediums like success stories and fun and games. This community link and event, that is a very important thing. With the Zoom link, every event has been already here. So whenever you really need looking for live, you no need to wait for email, or you really no need to look for our notification. You can go to our social media, this private community, and you can click it and you can join the Zoom live, whatever the Zoom live which you are conducting free for the internship participants. To be part of this community, to join in the private community, if you are only an internship participant only, you can able to join. So to join it, this is the right way. So this, just go there and click this button and join the community, guys. Okay. So I hope you really enjoyed a lot. If you really enjoyed a lot, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. Thank you, Ria Jaiswal. Thank you, Jeevanandan. And thank you so much, Abu Bakar. Thank you so much. It is indeed enjoyable. That's awesome. And please try to write a reviews, guys. I'm going to read a review, and tomorrow I'm going to address those reviews who have written awesome reviews. I'm going to address that tomorrow. So please write a paragraph kind of reviews that will really motivating our team. Okay, so please do that, guys. Please write a paragraph kind of reviews. Sanjay, could you please explain what happens to the detected videos? No, it is not been recorded. It is a real-time streaming. Not it is going to be recorded. Porkodi posted, I love this. Ramya posted, thank you. Please call me Sanjay, guys. And Krishna Sudha, you're awesome. Thank you so much. And Ashir Alam, sir, is there any data science batches coming? If you really want to know about our memberships and those stuff, you just please contact us through Instagram. So let me share you the Instagram DM kind of like yes, I just shared the link. You just click that link and do the DM. They'll be sharing you, or they'll be guiding you to register to courses and be part of our community. Braid, thank you so much. And Akash, thank you. And Himanshi, thank you. And Pushpa Gauda, thank you. And Majari, thank you. And Shreya, thank you. Okay, and do we have this video as a recorded session in YouTube? No, the video will be deleted within 2 days, guys. Anil, thank you for the session, Sanjay. All the best for your team and Pantech Solutions. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Olijure, thank you. And Oma, Sanjay, you are doing well. That's awesome. Thank you so much, sir, for posting that. And Srinivasa Rao, thanks, Sanjay. Your explanation was very well. Thank you so much. Keep on connecting with me and complete your 30 days challenge and be successful. Yes, and join the internship. And yes, thank you, Ibrahim Badmosh. And thank you, Hari Pavan. Thank you, Sushmita and Sadhana and Sithmini. Thank you, Sanjay. Today, interesting class. That's awesome. As days going by, you're going to build a lot of projects, guys. Be excited for it. Vignesh, thank you. And Divela, thank you. And Dipankar, thank you. And Allu, thank you. And Saransh, thank you. And Vivek Naga, thank you. And Bhuvan Shankar, my gratitude to you for all you have done, which I have never forgot. I truly appreciate you and your time spent helping in many occasions. Thank you very much for your course and I enjoy. Thank you so much, Bhuvneshwar Shankar Prakash. Prakash, please try to write paragraph kind of reviews. I'm going to wait for your reviews today, guys. So tonight, I'm going to wait for your reviews. Okay, tonight, the very important job for me is to read your reviews, guys. So I'm going to expect more than 300 reviews. Please write a reviews. Sanjinath and Derek, thank you. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for love and support which I have given throughout the live session. So stay connected with me till the end of 30th day, or you can make alternative decision to choose our courses, our internship, so that you can be part of our inner circle. We can communicate through live on Zoom sessions instead of conducting on YouTube, instead of interacting with the YouTube. So thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off, and then bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session. And another very important thing, on the upcoming days, some days, most of the days, the recorded live might be broadcasted. So make use of the live session which is on the YouTube. So other than that, the recorded live is going to be there. Okay. So yes, thank you so much, guys, and bye. Take care.